Sid, all your family members are too emotional. But I can't understand why you are ruining your life, Sid. I adore you a lot, Sid. That's why I'm saying. Can't you understand what a big trap this is and you will be trapped? Don't you understand what a big trap you all are going to get into? Can't you understand, Sid? You must have refused Shom, right? Shom is the adopted son of this family. You knew it very well that if you marry Shom, you won't get any share in the property. And the matter with Sid is completely different. You had asked Shom not to marry you, right? She knows very well. She knows that this will break Uncle's heart. And Sid loves his grandpa so much that because of his grandpa, he can even get married to Mithai. Your plan is successful, and exactly that is happening now. What are you saying? My Mithai isn't a girl like that. Why are you putting false allegations on my daughter? Why?
Mother, please calm down. Keep quiet, mother. No one is believing whatever she's saying.
Listen to us, priest. We have already lost a lot of time. Please begin with the wedding rituals.
Sid, won't you listen to what Mom said? Mom is the advocate. Mom told you that this girl is trying to get everyone into a trap because of her greed for money. Why don't you understand that the girl is scheming something? Please try to understand, Sid. Why are you getting into this trap willingly? Sid, there is still time. Please try and understand, please. Please understand her scheme. Miss, you have said enough. You have called me a cheat, cunning, crafty, and many more things, and none of it's true. Girls like Mithai knows how to work hard to earn their living. They don't eye on other people's money and property. I may be poor, but I have my self-respect. I was not willing to get married. I can take care of my mother and my brother. The Lord has granted me that capability. Mithai doesn't need to achieve anything by being crafty. But miss, don't insult me. Or else. What will you do? What will you do to me? I'll get the audacity out of you with a tithe. No, miss, no. Don't you dare. No one has ever raised hand on Mithai. Mithai doesn't tolerate that.
How dare you speak to me like that? How dare you speak?
Tess! You're not in your senses. Will you please leave now? I'll talk to you later regarding this. Don't create a scene over here, Tess, please!
What did you say? Am I creating a scene? What are you doing? When I had proposed to you at the office, what did you reply? You said that you don't believe in love, marriage, and relationships. So what are you doing today? Today you are marrying this sweet seller girl in front of everyone. This is not done, Sid. Hey, Mithai. If you've dreamt of having a happy married life with Sid, then that will never come true. I won't let it happen. I won't allow it. Enough. Enough is enough, Tess. Let's leave this place. But Mom, try to understand. I said let's leave this place, Tess. Let's leave. Mom! Mom!
Sandy,
Tell me.
what did Tursha just say? She had proposed Siddharth and Siddharth had refused it.
What's happening, Appa? Yes, that means it has been proved that I was right. Torsha wanted to be the daughter-in-law of this family. I don't know what follows next.
Listen to me, priest. We have already wasted a lot of time. Now please start chanting the hymns.
Yes, you're right, Amrish. It's really getting late. Hey, listen, everyone. Please make some cheering noise. Sulata, blow the conch, will you?
What happened? Why are you silent? Come on, blow the conch. Woo-loo-loo-loo-loo-loo. Make some cheering noise. Come on.
Rajiv, count the rounds.
Yes, yes. One.
Why did you stop? Continue blowing the conch.
Come on, come on. Okay, 7, it's complete now. Yes.
Sandy, go and
Yes,
get
Aunt.
the wedding seat. Go,
Yeah,
hurry
yeah.
up.
Okay, okay.
Mithai, come forward. Come here.
Here it comes.
Hold this. Sit. Hold this with your both hands. Hey, blow the conch. Let us all cheer.
Sid, apply this vermilion on Mithai's forehead without looking at her. Blow the conch and make some cheering noise.
I really don't believe in marriage, love, and relationship. I hope this girl won't claim herself as my wife. How will I make everyone understand that I've done this just to give some relief to Grandpa? This so-called marriage is nothing else than that. Nothing else.
Come on. Now both of you stand up together. Mithai, get up. Very slowly.
Mithai, seek his blessings.
Yes. Come on now, seek his blessings. If he is going to bless you, then this is Siddhartha's right, you see.
Brother Sid!
Siddharth!
Sid!
Siddharth!
Brother, don't go!
Listen, Siddharth!
Brother!
Where are you going, Siddharth? Where did he go with the car?
He just didn't listen anyone. What are we going to tell everybody inside?
Now what are we going to tell Mithai? I am feeling very bad for her. She has to go through so much.
Look, Sri, do you think this is the right time to talk about this? Listen, I think Siddharth wants to live alone. So, the right thing would be to give him some time. Sandy, I have a suggestion.
Huh?
It's better to leave a message for Siddharth that everybody in the house is worried about him. Hey, what happened? Come on, cheer up. Look, the person who did so much for his grandpa won't do anything wrong. I think we should trust him that he will never do something that will make his grandpa worried.
Your words should come true, Rajiv. Sid should come back after a while, or else, what will happen to Mithai? We planned that we will stay awake and have fun in the bridal chamber.
Shri, we all had planned many things. But who knew that something like this is going to happen? Brother Rajiv, tell me, what are you thinking? Sid might have got married somehow. But will he accept Mithai as his wife? No, I mean, I'm not considering Uncle Samresh.
Sandy, you'll get a lot of time to talk about all this. There are still guests in the house. Let's go inside.
Mother, why are you crying so much? Mithai can't tolerate tears, you know that, right? Whatever has to happen will happen. Whatever the Lord will do, please leave that on him. I just cannot worry anymore.
Parvati, please stop crying. Look, your best friend Moriful, blessings came true finally. I'm telling the truth, right? Mithai is absolutely right. You will see. Lord won't disappoint Mithai. Have faith. Have faith.
I have my faith. But why did Siddharth leave like that as soon as the wedding got over? Why did he leave? It's all my misfortune. I don't know what all is written in my fate. I don't know what all do I have to witness.
Here comes Rajiv. So did you speak to Siddharth about this? What's going on?
No, Uncle Amaresh. He went away in his car. I'm worried about Grandpa. He is still in his room now. But later he'll come to know about everything.
No, there is no question about it. Dad should definitely know about this thing. If the chest pain occurs again, we won't be able to save him.
Mithai? Mithai, please don't be sad. Everything will be all right, okay? Listen, if you remain sad like this, then Grandpa will become even more sad. No, Shri. Why should I remain sad? Why should I get upset? In fact, the Lord has helped me so much today. Anything could happen to Grandfather. The Lord saved his life. What can be better than that? Mithai. No one can stop oneself from loving a girl like you for long. Do you know that?
So Lata, listen. Please exercise caution while talking. It's very crucial.
Me?
Yes, you.
Are you asking me to exercise caution? Good. With all the drama that has happened in this house throughout the evening, I'm about to lose my speech. Is this even a wedding? Okay, Brother Bratan, you tell me. Our Sid, who doesn't have anything else in dinner other than soup, who is more comfortable speaking in English, who is so punctual that he does everything on time, who was friends with a smart girl like Torsha for many years. Even after all that, he did such a drama and married Mithai just because of his concern for his grandpa. I don't know, the way Torsha spoke openly in front of everyone regarding their relationship, after that, do you think this marriage is going to survive? Am I correct? Will this marriage survive?
Can't say.
Mother, don't cry. You will fall sick. Uncle,
Yes.
Uncle, please take mother inside. Mother, you are not well, right? Please take some rest. Please go to your room. Mother, look, everyone is here.
I can't leave you like this. I will stay here.
Mother, you always used to say that after marriage, the in-laws' place becomes the home for a woman, isn't it? Now I'm a married woman, Mother. You see, please go to your room. Everybody is here with me. Go to your room, please, Mother. Go to your room.
Parvati, come.
Mithai.
Come with me. Come.
Go, Mother.
Come.
Please go.
Let's go.
You saw that? I've told you so many times to be careful while talking. Now please just don't stand here and take Mithai to the puja room. Let her at least seek blessings from the ancestor idol. Let her seek blessing alone. Please.
I just don't understand. I mean, after so much drama, what is the use of seeking blessings from the Lord? Shri, ask Mithai to come to the puja room.